Okay. And see the screen?
Yes.
Oracle screen, right? Now it's opening. So what all we seen? Can you anybody summarize up to now? Hello.
Yeah, up to now we have seen chart of accounts, implementation, basic implementation details, then creation of journal, then budget, about the budget.
What are the type of journal?
Journal, static journal is there, foreign currency journal is there. Then normal
how to create a ledger.
Yeah, how to create the ledger.
What are the 4C and all we see? Okay.
Yes.
We have to keep practice. Right. Okay, so we are in general ledger. So general ledger, we have seen all the practical mostly how it has been done. You have to practice and come back for doubt. We have seen the type of journal, inquiry journal, and seen the report also, budget how to do. Okay. I'll show consolidation. Consolidation mostly we are already in vision operation. Just you can query and check. What is consolidation? Consolidation is consolidating multiple business companies, okay, multiple business. Like vision operation, vision corporation, you are having 10 or 12 branches. Your management wants to see in one book, that is called consolidation, okay? See here, in the example, they are distribution is a company, corporate is a company. They are pushing all the accounts from distribution to corporate. Okay. So what happens? The parent company is Vision Corporation, subsidiaries distribution, Vision distribution, that is corporate. No, the parent, two corporate means corporate is parent, Vision corporate, distribution is this one. So we are moving balance, not transaction. Transaction means all the transaction wise will be moving. Only balance means only the balance at the end of the month. Whatever you want to see, only the balance level. This must be the easier one because detailed one you can read. So we have to check all the things. Okay. Mapping. We have to give. The target is corporate and sources distribution. Suppose you are having 5 segment. See here. I am having company. They are also having company. You are having department. They are also having. If any change, you have to match. The major segment is company and account. Company and account are mandatory. Others, whatever you want, you can match or you can. Please mute. Okay. So like that, you are matching here. Then consolidation set. So this is how, this is the one thing we'll do, and all the things will flow into the books. This is the consolidation. Okay, right. So all the topics in the GL, and we have more reports like trial balance, journal, inquiry account, VC. Okay. So please practice and come back for doubts. Okay. Then we'll have a doubt session and we'll go in if we need. Okay. So now I'll go to receivable module. So comparing to GL, receivable is very easy comparing to the basic stuff, whatever we do in the day-to-day business or activities. Invoices we call as transactions here. Okay. Like journal batch and individual journal, you have transaction batch and individual transaction. Receipt batch and individual. See, wherever you do the invoice, they call transaction to differentiate the invoice, AR invoice and AP invoice. Okay. And wherever you have a receipt, like payment in AP, you have receipt here. Okay. Then you have the setups. Now I'll show you how to do the transaction. Okay. So what is this source? Source is called manual or imported. It is manually you are creating or importing from other system. What is imported means? In GL we seen the imported, right? Manual journal and importing from the subledger. Here imported means AR is connected to order management. Whenever you create a sales order, if you are having that is linked to this one, and automatically sales order will create as an invoice. That is called imported invoice. You don't have to duplicate. Okay. Right. So class, these are the type of invoice in AR. Invoice, chargeback, credit memo, debit memo, deposit, guarantee. One by one we'll see how to create an invoice. Date. It is a current date. GL date. I opened up to 2012 only. That's why that date is there. I'm taking that. Okay. What is bill to and ship to? Ship to location and bill to location. The location of the, we have bill to yellow is mandatory. Billing location. Shipping is the goods where it to be delivered. Here they made billing mandatory and ship to optional. Maybe the services or something. So bill to location are same. Shipping may be multiple. You have accounting section only one, right? And you will change it like that. Okay. So I'm taking selecting a customer AC network. Once I select the customer, I'm getting payment term and everything. Okay. Just click line item. Okay. Suppose we are paying software hourly income like that. We can directly select the software engineer payment. Unit of measures, hours. 90 hour, $100. So 9,000 item. So I am selecting item. It will come from inventory. Inventory they would have defined. I am choosing here. I am selling it. So the item values, it will be coming here. Save it. Control S. So I created an invoice. Now check it. I saved it. Now just click on this complete button. You must select an instrument for the receipt method. This is the instrument we selected, automatic receipt. I think that is not working. If we can select this in receipt, which bank and all. Just delete it. Control S. Save it. Now see it complete. It's see once completed. This tick mark you cannot change it. Here it comes, and it is graded out. You cannot do anything. So before accounting, if you want to change anything in this invoice, just click incomplete. Go to line item. I want to change the price to 110. Save it. Complete once again. So you can change up to it gets accounted. Complete. Now I'm going to account this transaction. For accounting, tools create accounting I have to do. There are 3 types of accounting. Draft, which stays, it's a draft 1, it is not saved. Final accounting, it will create the accounting and will stay inside AR, inside subledger. Final accounting, post to GL. It will create accounting and it will just get posted to GL. Okay. Just this is the normal one they will do. Accounting created. I want to see the accounting. Tools, view accounting. View journal entry. So this is a journal. Receivable to revenue. Revenue we are giving. And receivable, it is automatically set up in the system. Okay, see. Receivable account to revenue account. View T account option is also there. That also it will show. See, this is the T account format. Okay, how it is come. Got closed. Remember what now invoice number we have done? I remember the date. So I want to query now. I didn't remember the transaction number or anything. Go to the torch button, find, give the transaction date only I remember. Maybe I try to remember the customer AC network. Fine. On this date, I am finding it. So these are all I created. Maybe this is the number I created. How I know? Go to the line item. Yeah, this is what I created. One item, and we call memo lines because we have no item. Directly we have to create it. Okay. So now there is a Oracle default format. I can view the invoice format pro forma. Click it. See, you get how the invoice default format is there. So you can attach your company logo. Technical team will help that. So you see, you can attach this physical scan and attach the bill and send by mail also. That way this button is there. So this is a default format given by the Oracle. You can take a printout also. Okay. Right. So this is the complete creation of the invoice. If you click distribution, the accounting line will show here. See, 1210 rounding. Any rounding is there, it will come here 0.12 or something. It will take a rounded off account. I changed it, right? Revenue, the rate and all, it reversed and created. See how it created. Consulting. Initially I selected hardware. Huh? Okay, right. So this is how we'll create an invoice. Okay. So in AR, other option, how to create a debit memo. Debit memo is positive in AR, credit memo is negative in AR. Why? Can you tell me what is debit memo? Any example?
Same like sales. Same like invoicing.
Same like
Invoicing. Like same like sales.
shares.
It increases, right? No, it increases. It's almost same effect of sales or
Okay, it is same like invoice.
revenue.
Correct.
Yes.
Why it is positive? In AP it is negative because, for example, I raise an invoice for 100 quantity, bill is ready and quantities are going board. While sending the quantity, the customer is telling, please add 10 more quantity. I don't have to cancel the invoice. I'll raise a debit memo and add to the existing invoice. Okay. Right. So this will be a one. So this is called debit memo in AR. What is credit memo in AR?
Sales return.
Cancellation.
Yes.
Yeah, like sales return when we reduce.
Sales return. Yeah, correct. Sales return you can say, because I am selling it. I am taking 100 quantity. I cannot find 5. So I am boarding only 95. But invoice already printed for 100. So I'll create a credit memo and attach to the invoice. Okay. Right. So that is called credit memo. Right. So this also happens when the I send to the customer finds out 5 is defective and return. At that time also I can raise a credit memo. Okay. Correct. So this is credit memo functionality. Debit memo is same like the what we can say invoice. So credit memo, same thing you do. But what I have to do, value should be negative. Maybe quantity negative or value negative. It should not accept. Maybe the steps they created. So, okay, no problem. Saving it. Application violation. Okay, completed. So what happens? I create a commit memo. When I create opposite apply sign, it is saying application violation. Okay. So this is a credit memo, same process, same invoice will be reflecting. Yes. So I can apply to the invoice action. Adjust application. Action application. I select the invoice. Right. I can knock off the credit memo. So the invoice balance will get reduced. I'm selecting this invoice. Apply date, same thing. Save. So balance is nil. Okay. So I'll refresh and see. Now I am having times 19,000, right? Minus just query F11, control F11. I go to the torch button, find the invoice number, credit memo number, find details is same. Wait. So I already applied to this invoice. Amount applied I didn't give, right? 19,000. So entire 19,000 I am applying to it. It becomes 0 now, right? Refresh. So I applied 19. Only the tax part is pending now. Okay, right? I can apply it like this. This is one option. Okay. So we created what? One invoice, one debit memo. Now, what is deposit in the business? Tell me. What is the type deposit in AR receivables?
Advance.
It is a advance, you can say, right? Then you can classify to advance for the business and permanent deposit, correct? A permanent deposit cannot be knocked off against invoice. So here deposit means a permanent deposit, which will not be coming for knock off against the business. Okay, when at the end of the closure of the business or something, you can do it. For deposit, no line item is opening because it's only money, right? We are not up against the product. Just to fill the commitment amount, they're asking how much deposit I want. 1 million. Okay, right. It's a commitment to the business. Just save it. This is how deposit work. Nothing else. Just you are depositing the amount. Okay, enough. And next one. What do you mean by guarantee? What do you mean by guarantee here? Here also graded out. A guarantee and deposit, what is the difference?
Maybe it is not
Deposit is actual fund and guarantee is just like LC, like letter of credit or kind of guarantee document.
So what is guarantee doesn't involve money, physical money transfer. See here. Here also I am giving 2 lakh. So this is some guarantee from the existing existing customer. Okay. So I am telling I am doing business for 10 years. So I am telling he is my friend. I am referring one person. So I am giving guarantee up to 2 lakhs. So this is called guarantee. So deposit physically involves money. You have to give money. Okay. Right.
Now this bank excuse me, there I have one more doubt. Now the companies are having the bank guarantee. Those also comes in the under this.
No, this is a normal guarantee. Okay. How to record a guarantee? That's it.
Okay.
Okay. That bank guarantee is different. You give something for a guarantee and you get the money. That is like a loan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Understood, right? These are the type. Chargeback, I'll tell you later. It will be created in receipt. So these are the type of invoices we created. Okay. Click complete. Receivable account. What is this? Customer deposit. So the account is customer deposit for this. Okay. Okay. Batch is something like journal only. You give the name and you enter the invoices. Transaction. You enter it. This is your batch. Okay. Right. Receipt also having batch. Receipt. I'll create a receipt. I'm going to receive the money from the customer. I can receive cash or whatever method. Automatic receipt means it will be directly coming from the bank, cash or through bank. So I'm entering receipt number manually. Amount. Okay, right. Now you can see when I created a receipt, I entered just the amount, right? It is going to unidentified status. What do you mean by that? Any clue or anything you want to say? When I receive money from a customer, I didn't give I don't know who is the customer, correct? I don't know who is the customer. In my bank account, some amount is there in the, okay, the credit. That is, I received money. I don't know from whom, right? Okay. I don't know whom. So at that time, the money will be parked in unidentified. Okay. Understand? So we will be getting unidentified balance. Okay. Right. Next. Now I know the customer name. He's calling or coming with the proof. See, it is going where? Where it is going? Unapplied. The second status will be unapplied. Okay. From unidentified, it comes to unapplied. What is unapplied? You know the customer. You don't know which invoice you have to apply. You have to wait for the customer confirmation or remittance information. Okay. Next, go to apply button. Here, select the invoices you want to apply after getting the confirmation. Pick amount here. Even if I the amount, it goes only partial. See, entire amount knocked off. Save it. So this sum 3 invoices and still balance is there in the existing invoice. I closed it. And one more thing. Okay. Now 2,41,000. Okay. I am having 840 rupees extra in customer has given me. I don't want a refund immediately. So what I do, I park in a temporary account called on account. The minor amount you can wait for the next or any amount custom. I can put on the on account. On account, it will stay up to the next thing. Okay. Right. You know the now. So I received the amount 1090 from this customer. I applied. Okay. Still I have the balance of 1000. He told refund me. I want to see. Select refund. Okay. So 1000 USD, select refund attribute. So here you have to paying back to the customer. So what system will do, which method you want? You want in cash, pay bank account and everything. Click apply. Just save it. Once you save it, please select the receipt payment method. I don't know. create a fresh one. Going here. So now which payment you want to pay him? I want to pay him check. Apply. Save it. So what happens? Account date is not open here. Oh, I given 21. It's automatically taking today's date from the system. So here GL date is done. Okay, you understand the logic, right? You have to give here. Now the customer will be automatically created as a supplier, right? In the AP, I'll show how it will be created. Go to payable module. Invoice entry. So the type will be payment request. Okay. Date. Okay, only one is created. You would see payment request, AC network, trading partner. You see it is automatically created. It has been cancelled, but you can see. So from that, as it is created, it is cancelled, but it will be created like this. AC network is a customer, but it created automatically as a supplier. Go to action. You can pay in full. Once the amount is there, you pay from the AP. We'll see in detail. So this is how it will work. Okay. That is the refund. Any doubts till now? We have chargeback. This is very easy. Only theoretical part is more. AP, AR, fixed asset, cash management, everything. Only GL, we have some topics to learn. Okay. Okay. Here you have this. I want to charge back to the customer. What is charge back? I want to take it out from his books. Or I want, because it's a royal customer, good customer. I'm not getting any issues till now, but due to the situation, he cannot pay. It is a bounce check or something. I am charging back to him. So I'll reverse this receipt. No. So what happened? You can see